Alright guys, today I'm going to go over some more addition and subtraction strategies for you. And I'm first going to go more specifically into expanded form. Now when talking about the expanded form, we can say that we are going to split the numbers, or that we are going to decompose the numbers. I'm going to start by doing an addition example, and I'm going to show you 496 plus 275. So I first want to show you the relationship between how expanded form relates to our base 10 number system. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to show you the value of these numbers using base 10 blocks. So 496, I have 1, 2, 3, and 4 hundreds. I also have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 tens. And lastly, I have 6 ones. Now for 275. I have 2 hundreds. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tens, and 5 ones. So now let's take our base 10 blocks and use them as a model for our expanded form. Alright, so I'm going to start by decomposing these. 400 plus 90 plus 6, 200 plus 70 plus 5. Now I'm going to add my hundreds together to get 600, my tens to get 160, and my ones to get 11. Now I'm going to combine those together, and what I like to do is I like to line them up nice and neatly into their place value so that I don't get anything mixed up. And that's going to get me 771. Now I'm going to show you a subtraction example. So 648 minus 279 is the example I'm going to show you. So I'm going to start by decomposing each number into an expanded form. So 600 plus 40 plus 8, and 200 plus 70 plus 9. Now, what I like to do is I like to do all of my regrouping first before I subtract. So I can see that my ones place automatically, I'm going to need to regroup because I cannot take 9 from 8. So I'm going to take a 10 away from my tens place, and I'm just going to move that 10 over to the ones place. So I no longer have 40 plus 8, but I have 30 plus 18. Now, I'm also going to regroup my hundreds place. I'm going to move a 100 from the hundreds place over to the tens. And so I'm going to have 500 plus 130 now. Now that's out of the way and I can easily subtract. So 18 minus 9 is going to give me 9. 130 minus 70 is going to give me 60. And then 500 minus 200 is 300. So now I'm going to line these up just like I did with the addition so I can make sure that I get my place values correct. And this is going to give me 369. Now don't get these addition symbols confused. Remember, we're in expanded form, but we're still subtracting. But make sure to not get those confused. So our difference is going to be 369. All right, I'm going to show you now a really cool strategy that I am just amazed with. And if you already know this strategy, just bear with me because it's really amazing to me. I've never seen it before. But I'm going to use the example 500 minus 478 because I'm subtracting with all those zeros up there. Now, you see a problem like this and you're like, ugh, I have all this regrouping I need to do. Well, this is really cool because all you have to do is you can subtract 1 from both numbers. And with this example, that's going to give us 499 minus 477. And now look, the numbers can easily be subtracted with no regrouping involved at all. So my difference here is going to be 22. So easy. I love this strategy. All right, I'm going to do one more example with this strategy. I'm going to do 700 minus 234. And I'm going to start by subtracting 1 from my top number and my bottom number. And I'm going to get 699 minus 233. Now I can easily subtract, and I'm going to get 466. I hope you liked this strategy, guys, because I love it. Thanks for watching the lesson.